How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are here at the CFI Convention 2019, and I just want to show you guys this new Crain extension pole. It is actually the Crain 510 lever extension, and this right here, you see the mechanism right here and right here is pretty awesome, and it has a little grenade pin right here, for so to speak, and I just want to run over this and explain how it works for you guys real quick. So the lever right here itself actually is pretty convenient. So the traditional poles has the buttons right here. You always got to squeeze and slide up like this. This is actually kind of nice right here. You can actually just grab it, slide it forward like that. No buttons necessary at all. And you have the little locking mechanism right here, the grenade pin, so to speak. If you push that in, it works like a traditional pole, okay? You slide it in like that, pull it out like that. However, the cool thing about this right here and the bottom lever, if you pull this little pin out, it becomes automatic, so to speak. You can pull it up. No lever needed right here. You don't have to lift up on this, no buttons to push. It's free motion until you set it down on the floor. When you set it down on the floor, it engages and then it locks it in. So see that right there? So there's no need of, anytime you pick it up and set it down, you set it down, it's locked. So like I'm working on a wall, there's a window right here. I need to stretch my stretcher out just a little bit. Look at there, right there. It's automatically locked in. No buttons to push or anything like that. Pull right back out. I don't even have to do that. Just pick up just a little bit, and it completely frees up the buttons or anything inside of here. What makes it slide effortlessly, okay? Even though it is very awesome, very much a time saver. It might take you a minute to get used to it, but lifting that up completely frees it up. As soon as you set it down, it's locked in position and ready to stretch. And this right here, again, is really awesome. Rather than reaching back here like that, sometimes you have to get back here like this in order to get your hand on it and slide it forward. You can keep your body right here by the headpiece, grab it and slide it forward just like that. That is absolutely awesome. That's going to be a huge time saver. So yeah, this is the Crain 510 lever extension tube. Get you guys an up close look at it right here. So this, see that right there?
Is he serious?
And this right here is the little pin right here. So you just pull that out or push it in, and that's what makes this right here automatic. Every time that goes on the floor, that locks it in place. When you raise it up, you got free motion there, okay? So anyway, this is the Crain 510 lever extension tube, and if you invest, it's definitely going to be a great time saver, okay? I did want to mention this tool right here too by Crain. It is the new, it is revised electric tacker. So most of the time they would rate these for like 100,000 shots before they would expire or go bad or whatever. These are newly innovated as far as now there is a sensor. Whenever you pull the trigger, there's an electrical computerized sensor or something like that that will cause the gun to actually fire. Now they are rated for 200,000 or 300,000 shots rather than 100,000 shots. So you're going to get the lifetime of the Crain electric tackers are now 2 or 3 times longer than what they used to. So this would definitely be a good investment for a long-term investment. And also the 5-in-1, you guys always see me use the 5-in-1 on this on my channel. I've actually got a specific video just talking about the 5-in-1, and this right here, Crain 5-in-1 number 175, you see it right there. This is pretty awesome. It has all kinds of multi functions for pulling nails and stuff like that right here. And if you don't have a pin puller, this U-shape right here is perfect for getting right underneath the pin puller and tapping it up. This is not a flimsy little thing. This thing is a super solid tool, so it's not going to bend for using it for the things that it's designed for, as in you know, getting a little nail head in there or whatever, ripping it out of the floor if you leave the tack strip nail or something in there during some demo, or pulling door pins or something. By that notch right there is going to be awesome. This over here is also a flathead screwdriver. Will work for a lot of the Crain products. It makes it real handy. Anyway, just an absolute great tool. This is actually a hawk bill shape right here, super sharp right there, so that's good. And also it has enough flat surface area right here in order to do what I like to do the most with it, tucking vinyl and stuff like that. Awesome, awesome 5-in-1, the Crain 175. Until next time, FBSB's out.
Yeah.